It's one of the most exciting moments in your career. You have a new idea for a book that you think could make a real difference in your discipline. The first step from idea to book, submitting a proposal to your editor. At Wiley, your editor will be a subject specialist who can help develop and hone your book proposal. The proposal provides key information to begin the process, and getting started is simple. To ensure your editor has everything they need, we've put together a checklist. Let's start with the basics. Before diving in, be sure to identify your subject discipline, provisional title, and any subtitle. Our main piece of proposal advice: think about the who, the what, the why, and the how. The who. Who will be writing the book? Be sure to include these details: your name, your position and affiliation, your CV. Also include brief bios for any co-authors or contributing authors, your social media presence if relevant to the project, your contact details, phone, email, and mailing address. The what. What are you writing? Define your book's structure and content using the following guidelines. First, your overview. This is where you explain your book's objective and what it will be about. Here are some questions to think about. What's your vision? How will this book benefit the discipline or profession you work in? Why would someone buy this book? How will your selection of topics or treatment of the subject encourage readers to purchase it? What are the book's unique selling points? Think about what makes your book unique, like its major themes and approach. How will it make a difference? Explain the unmet needs in your discipline and the challenges you're trying to address. Next, include your table of contents. This includes chapters and subdivisions within chapters, as well as any materials needed in the appendices. Already produced a sample chapter? We'd love to read it. If you've published other articles and books, please attach a list of those materials as well. The why. Ask yourself, why are you writing this? Who is this for? Consider these questions. The how. Tell us how you're planning to structure your manuscript considering the following questions. Congratulations! Now that you've determined the who, what, why, and how, it's time to submit your proposal.